package that I'm so excited to open. It's from Aille, which is a Braille clothing company that's all about inclusion. Oh, we have a little letter here, and they made us a letter in Braille. Again, they're all about inclusivity. That's so exciting. Do you want to read the letter?
Marissa and Shaden, we're so excited to connect and collaborate. We love your passion for accessibility and inclusion, and hope you love your new Braille fashion. Big hugs, Aille.
So the packaging even has Braille printed on it, which is so cool. So this is their Braille sweater. Do you want to feel it? Okay, wait, the Braille is up here. What does it say?
Design.
So cute. And then there's Braille all going down the sleeve. And this feels like amazing quality. I love it.
I like this.
You do? I think this one's for you. Yeah. And then I think there might be a matching one for me.
Alongside the blind and visual impaired community. Aww.
So it describes the item, tells you how to wash it, and also the material. So that's so cool. This is so inclusive. I love it. Do you want to check that card out?
Yeah. Okay. So,
cute.
Black cropped sweater, white Swarovski Braille beads, machine wash cold, hang to dry, made with cotton and poly fleece.
And then we have these amazing red pants. I'm so excited for these. See the Braille all along the leg of the pant. Wow, these are stunning. I can't wait to try these on. You want to read the Braille?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blindness does not have a certain look or feel. Disabilities do not define us. Amazing.
And last we have this jean jacket, which I'm so excited about. I don't even care that it's winter. It is now officially jean jacket season.
It's jean jacket season.
Okay. Oh my God. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, I'm gonna try it on, Shay. I love it. Okay. So I got a large because I wanted the oversized look. And I actually love it. Shay, do you want to check the Braille out?
Yeah.
It's all in the back.
All in the back?
Yeah. What does it say?
Blue denim jacket.
Nice.
Light wash denim with white strips.
Stripes.
Stripes are
Stripes.
stripes are different sizes and are combined with black Braille beadwork. Braille is made with Swarovski pearls.
Amazing. Okay, I could not wait to try these on. I'm seriously obsessed. These are perfect for Christmas.
Ooh.
Shay's got his sweater on.
Look at the Braille.
I know,
it's so nice.
It's so nice.
Look at the lovely Braille.
I love that you can read it. So I'm actually obsessed with everything. It's stunning, it's high quality, and it's inclusive. What do you think, Shay?
I love the braille. It's so nice.
It is. It's so cool.
Yeah.